700 pupils at the Kariobangi North Primary School in Nairobi County will have to change schools after officers from public health threatened to close the school indefinitely, citing poor sanitary conditions.
For the last 4 months, sanitation problems have crippled the school, which has made learning unbearable. According to the school management, the unhygienic situation at the center was a time bomb and could even lead to a disease outbreak.
NTV's Rose Wangui visited the school.
Since schools opened in January, this has been the situation at Kariobangi North Primary School. The public institution is flooded with sewage, and even the classrooms and staff room have not been spared. The school's trouble began last year in December 2017.
County government decided to upgrade the system and so that it can conform with the blooming population. Our school was blessed to be part of the upgrade of the system, but unfortunately the upgrade left us in a lot of problems.
Sewage row ya Kariobangi North areas na villages na estates zile zinatoka kwa estate mara mingi zinapitia hapa kwa kiwanja.
The school's playground and some of the classrooms are flooded with raw sewage, with a pungent smell always hanging around the institution.
Shule imebaki hivyo, imejaa na maji kila pahali na harufu. Sasa ile maji mzuri na maji mbaya ni ngumu sana. Breathing within the school iko mbaya sana.
And you know, we have kids from 4 years all the way to 15 to 38. You cannot control them, especially during break time. So they play on the raw sewage.
The school had been given 21 days by the public health officer of the Nairobi County to upgrade the unhygienic state of the institution or face closure. The notice has since expired and nothing has happened.
Hii upgrading inaweza kachukua roughly another 6 months. Ndio sasa channel yetu iende. As we talk, the whole of Kariobangi sewage line yote imeblock. So we are also affected. Na as we talk, sijui watoto wetu wataenda wapi.
When the pupils break for lunch, food is served near the effluent, putting the lives of the children at risk. Subsequently, there has been a spike in illness among staff and pupils.
Mtoto mwingine tulibeba tukapeleka hospitali mpaka tukarudisha nyumbani kwa ajili alikuwa na hara na anatapika. Tukalipa, wengine pia sasa hawakuji vile watoto walikuwa wanakuja kwa ajili situation ni mbaya.
After a heavy downpour last week, the classrooms and offices were left submerged. Some of the toilets are not in use due to poor drainage. For now, only 5 toilets are available for the 700 pupils.
Shule ikifungwa na hawa ilikuwa watu wa water ndio walifanya hii kazi na wakawacha hiyo kama ina hang. Sasa shule tutafanya nini? Hata tukitengeneza mtaro na main sewage ijafunguliwa iende, itakuwa ngumu. Hata machoo zimejaa. Hata pale watoto kuendea hakuna.
Kariobangi North Primary School is one of the oldest schools in the area. It was built in 1950 and is in a state of disrepair. It has seen little or no renovation over the years. In this classroom, pupils squeeze and shove. There can be up to 80 pupils in one classroom, which makes learning almost impossible. Desks are few, forcing pupils to share the available ones. Overcrowded classrooms, crumbling ceilings, and poor drainage system characterizes the conditions under which many pupils at Kariobangi North Primary School learn. Public health officials say the institution does not meet public health standards and therefore has to be closed.
Na ninge request well wishers, parents wajitokeze tuinue shule yetu because watoto ni wetu na ni wa community.
If the situation does not change, when schools open later this month, over 700 pupils at Kariobangi North Primary School will have to change schools. Rose Wangui, NTV.